America. I'm Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Super Centers in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2020 Northwood Nash 23D. A lot to speak to these guys, a lot of quality build out of LeGrand, Oregon, a small company, really controls their quality all around. And it starts from their off-roading chassis, which they build themselves. You don't order chassis from Lippert. They make their own. They make their own chassis specific for each floor plan. So they balance really well. The I-beams on them are thick. They're ready for some off-roading as well. And you can see the thickness of the chassis all the way from the I-beams back. It's a great chassis right there. You have your pass-through storage on the front. They have the plug-and-play solar on the side, so you can plug in and tether out your solar panels so that it's sunflowering however you need it, and you can actually park in the shade. But there's also a solar panel on the roof. It's a 50-watt solar panel that's trickle charging your batteries, making sure they're fresh. So you have 23D here. You have wood frame, and you have the fiberglass siding, a ton of storage underneath. All the way across back there, you have a battery cutoff switch. So when you're storing it, you just click it off. There's going to be no passive drain off your battery. So that's not the only outdoor storage here, too. You actually have some storage on the slide up that's underneath your dinette here. It's accessible via drawers under the dinette as well. And you keep going back, and there's some extra stuff to really kind of set this guy apart. So Northwood is one of the only trailers that actually builds a compartment for a generator. So you can bring along a take-along generator, or you can actually have one wired in. There's a push button ready to be wired into a generator right there. So literally. Otherwise, if you are not bringing along a generator, a lot of people use this as a dry box for firewood. So either way, it's going to be handy for your power or your light. Double racking pinion for the slide out here, about as tried and true technology as you could possibly get. Dark oak underbelly, really solid construction all around on these. 2-inch thick walls all around as well. And keep walking around. Roof ladder, one-piece rubber roof, walk-on roof. It's barreled, it's called cathedral roofing there. You can hop up and down on that. It's really, really sturdy. A receiver hitch as well. You can really plug and play whatever you need to off of that. Hot and cold outdoor shower. Keep coming around the side here. Utility rail. Utility rail. Some gear in that front pass-through. Utility tray. A tray for an outdoor grill or a little bike rack notch there. Your plug and play for your propane, so this is male-female connected into whatever grill you have available. And so you make use of the outdoor space just as much as the indoor space. Let's head inside and see what we can see. Really nice and open, great length, great openness and brightness for this floor plan. Amazing construction on all of the cabinetry, real wood. Every single knot hole is just right out of the tree. You have stable shelves here, and on the other side you have movable shelves that you can use with your hanging that's up top as well. Fantastic fan above the bed. You have vented AC all throughout as well. And this is your solar charging station here. Just checking the battery as well. You also have your plug and play. If you wanted to actually build in generator, literally you just have a push button and you can start it up right away. U-shaped dinette, a lot of space there to seat a lot of people, as well as you can convert that into another bed, a much bigger bed than would be a booth. You have all your plug-ins and everything for your television, satellite ready there. They have really big fridges as well, 8 cubic foot fridges. So one of the things that Nash does is it kind of over-engineers all of the practical elements so you can make use of it however you want. And that's from the chassis up. So the chassis is off-roading chassis. Amazingly burly cabinetry as well. Huge tanks. Your holding tanks are really big. 50-gallon freshwater tank, 40-plus gallon gray and black tanks, 10-gallon hot water heater, big fridge, solar panel on the roof. It's really meant so you can take this wherever you need to go and stay there for however long you want to be there. Really big bathrooms, taking up the full width off the rear. You have a ton of storage space, cabinet space, hanging space right there. Deceptively deep, a lot of space in there. Porcelain step flush toilet, as well as a corner shower here. So big rectangle shower, self-squeegeeing screen there. a lot of space, a lot of use you can get out of this. If you have any questions about this rig or any other RV we have on lot, stop on by and say hello or drop me a line. I'm Jake at 773-655-7190.